A ball moving with a velocity of 6 meters per second strikes an identical stationary ball. After collision, each ball moves at an angle of 30 degrees with the original line of motion. The speed of the balls after collision is. So here what is happening, the ball's first ball, let's say this is first ball, it is moving with a velocity of 66 meters per second, mass is m. Now it collides a stationary ball and then each of the ball moves at an angle of 30 degrees, right? Now let's say it is having velocity mv, this will also have velocity mv because they're moving at the same angle, otherwise we'll take it as mv1 and let's say this is mv2. If this is 30 degrees, this will be mv2 sine 30 and this would be mv2 sine 30. Similarly this side it will be mv1 cos 30 plus mv2 cos 30. So we have found the horizontal and vertical components of the momentum after collision. Now we know what is momentum before collision. Because there is no initial momentum along y direction, I should have mv2 sine 30 equal to mv1 sine 30. So from this sine 30 cancels, cancels, v1 equal to v2. Both of them will have same final velocity. Let's say we call it as vf. Now by conservation of momentum in horizontal direction or in x direction, I can say m into 6 should be equal to 2 into m into vf into cos 30. So let's check m cancels. So we are left with vf equal to 6 by 2 cos 30. So that is 3 by cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 3 by root 3 by 2. So that becomes 2 root 3 meter per second. So the answer for this question would be 2 root 3 meter per second. So here there is a mistake in typing. It should be 2 root 3 meter per second. So the right answer for this question is option C, 2 root 3 meter per second. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.